bouncing it back and forth. Well, come to find, when I had my power plug coming from the key, the ignition key, I was not getting power. I know I should be getting power through this plug coming to the motor. Well, now watch what happens. I did not have power on that wire. That's going into your, coming out, actually coming in. That's coming through here, and you are going into, actually, where is that? Okay, that's going into your box, which means you got power coming from elsewhere. Where is it coming from? Alright. Where is that power coming from? Oh. Okay, yeah. That's the power coming from your main harness. So, you should have power coming from your ignition switch. When the ignition switch off, you should have power. Well, I got messing around, so I was coming up through, and I started feeling around up here around the ignition, and watch what happens. It went out. See, I've got a short up here at the ignition switch. Ah, man. Like that. But there was the whole problem. So at least you saw how to check the coils on this. Troubleshot power through here, and this is your main power, and this is going to go through your advanced box here, which means with this plugged in, you're even going to have, I didn't even have power to the dual solenoid. Back in. Okay, you should have power to your fuel shutoff solenoid inside your carburetor. I don't know if you can hear that move. So that could have been what was wrong with it too. But now, I guess that's the easiest way. If you got power here, you're going to get power. And as you saw when I was cranking it, these actually are self-powered. So when I was doing that, I had flow back off the white wire from those rotating. Alright, so now that I know, I'm messing around with that. Get that back in there. I like that. I like that power. I like seeing power on that wire. So just by turning, not even by turning, I just got to go up and down. I got to find out what's grounded on that switch. Something's. Now I got full. There it goes. I got nothing. I got something going on that switch. Alright, let me kill it. We'll find out what it is. Okay, with that said, that switch has a nut. Right. See how loose that is? Should never let that get that loose. Let's get that tightened down. Actually, I think I want to pull that out. Take that off there. I just wonder if that's grounding. That has to ground. And I got my key in it now. thinking I may have to ground on the dropped out. Okay. Alright, I pulled that plug out of there. We can see all kinds of. I've got some brake cleaner this time. So, come to the conclusion. My coils are good. All my wiring is good. Up to the ignition switch. Last one. Okay. We have good contact. Back in the hole. When you do that, you gotta set there. That thing's got to go a certain way. Have a flat spot in here. Do have a flat spot, so that's kind of just like that. Got a flat spot. God, you know, look. Yeah, it's got a flat spot, but it doesn't appear to have a lock. I'll only go through there one way. Okay, so with that said, let's get this lock switch back. The lock nut back on here. Fire this puppy up. Tighten that up. Find out it's been that the whole time. Okay. Got that nice and secure now. The key in. I should have a light. Hear the relay right here. Okay. Now, just make sure everything's clear. Watch the spark plug.